To program a Ford key fob, start by entering Program Mode. For older models, cycle the ignition key from off to run, not start, 8 times within 10 seconds, ending in the run position. The doors should lock and unlock to indicate Program Mode is active. For newer keyless ignition models, press the Start button instead of using a key. Ensure all doors are unlocked and that you have a new battery, CR2032, in your key fob. This method works for most Ford models from 2000 to 2025, but EVs like the Mustang Mach-E might need app-based pairing as a secondary step. Once in program mode, immediately press any button on the key fob, such as lock or unlock. The vehicle will respond with a chime or the doors locking and unlocking to confirm the fob is paired. Repeat this process for any additional fobs you want to program, up to a maximum of 4. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition off or wait approximately 20 seconds. Test each fob to ensure it correctly locks and unlocks the doors, activates the panic alarm, and opens the trunk if equipped. If pairing fails, retry the process, ensuring you maintain the correct timing and have a fully charged fob battery. For post-2018 models, ensure that you are not experiencing signal jamming or interference.